Alright, YouTube land, we're back with another video. Today we've got a President Lincoln 2 Plus for Mark. Mark ordered this radio brand new, out of the box, and wanted us to do the work for him, so we sold him the Lincoln 2 Plus, and we set it up for him, and now here we are. So we're going to get started here. Just going to basically run in here. Let's see. Alright, so we're on the sign end and 12 dB bouncing in there at about -109. The Lincolns have a phenomenal receiver. It's falling out there about -120, and HF quality receiver, no doubt. So we'll move to the TX side. We're at 50 kilohertz. We'll get that engaged. Turn that down because we don't like listening to it. And it's looking good. Looking good. Looking good. Looking good. All the way around. Looking good. So, no doubt about it. So, anyway, we'll go to 50. Well, we're at 50. We'll go to 200. 250 megahertz. Looking good. I had somebody email me and say, I'm not sure what you're doing because the Lincoln is pretty clean out of the box. Yes, it is, but it does not perform well out of the box. It is not a talker out of the box. And it is important to show all of this because if we're boosting up the power, anytime you raise the power up on any device, you know, if you know how to read a data sheet for like any transistor, when you raise the power up, things have a tendency to get dirty, IMD, and so that's why we show all this, because when we're doing 40 watts plus PEP power out of a radio, we want to show that, but that it's clean, that nothing we did made it dirty. It's very important because most of these 99% of your hack shops, you know, they go in there and they want to just show you this meter right here. That's all they want to show you because that's all they've got, and they think the more that it reads on that meter, the better it is. Well, at some point, it's going to start getting really dirty, so it's not doing anything for you whatsoever. So, just wanted to explain that. So we actually go through all the stages, pop the covers, go through, check everything. President provided a service manual for this, and we go through them, and then we upgrade them and update them and do our thing. So it's one of my favorite radios, I have to say. So, all right, well, enough of that. We're going to get a Mark ordered a static mic. We're going to hook the static mic up. We're going to put the lids back on it, and we'll be back. We'll do an overview. All right, so we're back with the Lincoln 2 Plus, and real quick, we're going to show what we got going on. So all the way up here is about an 8-watt carrier, 7.7 watts. All the way down is a 1-watt carrier. It's all the way down. Alright, so we're going to first listen to this on AM. It's got a little echo turned on, and the echo, to do that, you push, you're going to see your delay, you turn your knob, and then you push the store button. You turn this knob to delay, well, let me go back to it. So you got your delay, so you're going to turn this knob and then hit store, okay? That's going to store it. Then it's going to switch to the time. I'll just show you. So we'll hit this button. See, it switched to time, and then you can adjust it however you want. Okay? The thing about the Lincoln, I get a lot of people, and I've said it before, once you go in through the menus and set everything up the way you want it, you pretty much don't have to touch anything. You can use just the outside controls. It's very user friendly. So, anyway, here we go. Hello, radio, 1, 2, 3, audio check. Hello, radio, 1, 2, 3, 4. Got a little bit of echo on. Hello, radio, check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Listening through the Cobra 29 here with no, nothing connected to it, just nothing but President Lincoln audio. Break. Okay, so that's that. Let's turn that down. I'm redoing my bench. I'll have a sideband transceiver up soon where we can listen to the sideband again. That's coming up pretty quick. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit the mode button here. I was just working through it there. As you can see, we'll go lower. Let me speed my scope up a little bit. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hello. Doing about, hello, 40 watts PEP on sideband. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful sideband signal. So, anyway, that concludes that. So, Mark, here's your President Lincoln 2 Plus. I know you said you were excited to get it. We're excited to get it boxed up and headed your direction. So y'all be safe, be careful, and be kind. Got a lot coming up. Like I say, even got a FET amplifier sent in, a little two ERF 9530s, and then an 8 ERF 9530 that's going to be working with a Cobra 25. That's going to be interesting. So that's going to be up and done. It's also going to be running off one of our little brick power supplies that we sold a guy. So anyway, we're going to get out of here. Y'all be safe, be careful, and be kind. We'll catch you next time. And thanks for the support. Got to go. Bye.